Let's go! Welcome to the channel. For the people that may be having problems understanding certain points in the video, feel free to comment in the comments below this video. To keep up with the new videos, please subscribe, click notification bell below video. Thank you. So I know this isn't window cleaner related, but I had a tool like this in another video showing you how undone the zip ties, cable ties, and this is another one I've made. It's a little bit more compact, but it does the same job. So I'll get these cable ties, I'll just speed it up a bit, and we'll put these all together, and once we got it together like this, I'll show you how quickly this tool undoes all the zip ties. This is particularly good for the real big zip ties. They're not particularly cheap, but at least you can undo them as well as these smaller ones. And that's why I specifically made the tool so for the big ones. So at a later date I'll make a video and show you exactly how we made this tool. And I hope this is helpful to anyone that's watching this. And well, I suppose that's about it.